remove the pillow and pillowcase and set aside the pillow. Remove all the linens by rolling down and put it to the hamper. Sanitize the bed. Remove the gloves and put in the dustbin for infection waste.
Bottom sheet is to use to protect the mattress from soiling. No. Bottom sheet is to use to protect the mattress from dust and dirt.
Burn the new
Fluid
one.
comes from the body of the patient.
Gloves pa lang.
The bottom sheet, do a mitre 45 degree. Apply ABC, which is alignment. Apply the principle of mechanics, which is alignment, balance, and coordination. Focus. Tap the bottom sheet on the bottom. Do a mitre 45 degree. The ABC, which is held by mechanics, which is ABC. Alignment, balance, and coordination. Focus.
You're a new one. Get the bottom sheet. Get the bottom sheet. Spread the bottom sheet. Bottom sheet is used to cover the mattress entirely to protect from dirt, dust, and fluid coming from the body of the patient. Spread the bottom sheet until the mid part.
Do it on the other side. Spread the bottom sheet. Tap the headboard of the bottom sheet with mitre 45 degree. Apply ABC, which is alignment, balance, and coordination.
Tap the head part. Tap the head part of the bottom sheet. Do a mitre 45 degree. And apply principal body mechanics, which is ABC. apply
Draw sheet
principal body mechanics of ABC.
protect the patient from this elevation pulse of the body sheet. And it's also used to transfer liquid between the patient. Make sure to look inside of the rubber sheet or under the neck of the patient. Tapping together.
So to the other side, grab the bottom sheet, tuck the head part, and do a
Tapping
method.
together. Tap the draw sheet and bottom sheet together.
Do a method. Then two. Tuck the
The
top part,
PVC is falling into the.
do a method.
Make sure it will contact
45
the body
degree,
to
apply
avoid contamination.
body principal mechanics. Principal body mechanics of ABC.
Put against the door for against purposes and to avoid microorganisms entering the way. Spread the top sheet. Top sheet is to use to protect the participation and to keep warm. Spread the touch.
Get the rubber sheet. Rubber sheet is used to protect the mattress from soldering, spread. Get the glue sheet. Glue sheet is used to protect the body of the patient from irritation caused by the rubber sheet. Make sure 2 to 3 inches above the rubber sheet. It's also used for lifting and transferring the patient. Tuck the glue sheet together open bed means ready to receive a patient or, and this is the 1.5 closed bed.